What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you some common fixes on how to fix your Epson printer being connected but not printing. So the first thing we're going to do guys is to check the printer itself. Make sure that there's no errors or nothing going on inside the printer that we can just fix really quickly. So the first thing I'd recommend guys, and I know this is a simple one, is just to make sure that you have enough ink in your ink tanks. Really quickly, if you don't know how to refill them, guys, I do have a video down below on pretty much everything I'm going to tell you in this video. I'm going to tell you how to check everything, and then for the solutions, guys, I do have individual videos because otherwise this video would be like 40 minutes long. So I'm going to show you how to diagnose your issues in this one. So the next thing I would recommend, guys, is to check if you have a paper jam. Now, to do that, to be honest, guys, if you do have a paper jam, it would generally say on your screen, or there would be some flashing lights or something like that. But just some quick places to look are inside the paper feeder tray. You can just pull it out as so. Have a look, guys. You can even lift your printer up and check the bottom of the paper feeder. That's something you can do. You can look on the inside of your printer by lifting this flap up. Check the inside, guys. If there's any paper stuck in the paper flow, then make sure to remove it. But that is pretty much it for the actual printer things. Now, I'm going to show you what to do on your device that you're printing from. So I'm going to go to my computer now and show you some solutions from there. Okay, guys, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to check some of our settings on our computer. Now, the first thing we should check, guys, is that we are connected to the same Wi-Fi that our printer is on. This is a common error that I see happen, and it's something that I've done myself many times. So you just want to make sure that on your printer, you have connected to the same Wi-Fi. I'm not sure if you can actually check which Wi-Fi you've connected to. You can go to settings, network settings, and then connection check. I think this just checks if you are connected. I don't think it doesn't actually say what Wi-Fi you're connected to, guys, but you can just press here and it will print a report which shows you what Wi-Fi you are connected to. It should say the Wi-Fi name. So make sure on your computer you're connected to the same Wi-Fi here. And then if it doesn't fix it, guys, we're going to clear the printer queue. So to do that, we want to go to printers. So if you just search up printers on your thing here, you can see printers and scanners. If you search up in your search bar, find printers and scanners, guys, and then what you want to do is find your printer. So for me, it's the Epson ET2950 series, and it's this one because it's online. I have some other ones just from other videos, but we're going to press this one, guys, and make sure that it is connected. And what we're going to do is press open print queue, and there are no pending print jobs, guys, but there should be a button to clear it. If there are, you can refresh. And then make sure you cancel any print jobs that are connected to this. And then once you've done that, guys, I would recommend removing your printer. So just by pressing remove, and then press add device, and then add your printer again. And then that should hopefully solve your issues. Now, guys, if that doesn't solve it, I would just recommend to restart and reset everything. So I would recommend to do a factory reset on your printer. To do that, you go to all the way along to settings on your home screen by pressing these buttons. So go to settings, press OK, and then scroll down to restore default settings, press OK again, and then press clear all data and settings, press OK, and then press OK again, guys. And then you just need to turn your printer off and on again. I'd recommend doing that anyway, maybe even unplug your printer and put it back in, but that should be it. And yeah, then reconnect your printer, make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi, maybe try printing from your phone. That might be able to connect your printer if your computer isn't working. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope that this video helped. If it did, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. We'd be very grateful. And if you guys have any questions about this video, or you still have any problems, leave a comment down below, guys. We'll try to help you out as soon as possible. We just love helping you guys out with your printing problems. And yeah, but that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.